Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly timeframes for Bitcoin Cash. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first key level we notice is our monthly high here. So we plot that on the chart. Now we also notice a key level right here, where we can see price came up, hit, and reversed, acting as resistance. We see a reaction to the level as support, and another reaction as resistance. Now we also notice another key level right here. Price came down, and this level acted as support before breaking right through. Now we also notice a key level here, as price acted as support multiple times, and we notice our monthly swing low here. Now hopping to the weekly. Here on the weekly, what do we notice? We see three reactions to this key level right here. We see an obvious reaction here, an obvious reaction here, and an obvious reaction here. We also see long wicks reacting to the level here. Now, looking at our chart, we can plot in our weekly swing high here, and we've plotted all of our key levels for the Bitcoin Cash chart. Notice how all these key levels are monthly levels, which means they hold more weight. So we can see where price reacts, and they line up with all of these levels. So if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.